outstretched hands. Oh, precious sight, I love to gaze, remembering salvation's day, remembering salvation's day. Though my eyes linger on this scene, may passing time and years not steal the power with which it impacts me, the freshness of its mystery, the freshness of its mystery. History was split in two. Behold the empty wooden tree, his body's gone, alive and free. We sing with everlasting joy, for sin and death, they've been destroyed, and sin and death, they've been destroyed. Cross, may I see it like the first time, standing as a sinner lost, undone by mercy, and left speechless, watching why